In December 2025, Dovetail Software surveyed HR leaders on how they manage employee questions and HR service delivery today. The survey focused on 4 areas: how HR teams currently handle employee inquiries, the limitations they experience with their existing approach, what HR leaders value most when selecting HR technology, and the changes they would make if they had the opportunity. The responses reveal a clear and consistent pattern. First, how employee questions are managed today. 56% of respondents rely on shared inboxes or spreadsheets. Nearly 30% use IT help desk tools, and only 20% use a dedicated HR help desk. This indicates that for many organizations, HR service delivery has evolved informally, shaped by available tools rather than by deliberate design. That approach can function in the short term. But as organizations scale, it becomes increasingly difficult to maintain consistency, ownership, and visibility. Second, the limitations HR teams experience with their current setup. The most common issues are not related to missing functionality. 31% report that their systems take too long to implement or modify. 29% report poor integration with other HR systems. And 29% report limited reporting and visibility. Taken together, these responses point to systems that are difficult to adapt, poorly connected, and hard to manage in practice. Third, what HR leaders value most when selecting HR technology. The results here are unambiguous. 75% identify ease of use as the most important factor. 64% prioritize employee self-service. And 55% value integration, reporting, and actionable insight. HR leaders want employees to resolve routine questions independently. They want systems that are intuitive to use. And they want clear insight into demand, trends, and performance. Finally, what HR leaders would change if they could. 56% want to simplify the employee experience. 47% want greater automation or AI support. 45% want improved reporting. And 45% want systems that are easier for HR teams to manage and update. Only 5% indicate they would change nothing. This points to a clear desire for improvement focused on reducing friction, increasing control, and improving day-to-day effectiveness. This is precisely the gap Dovetail HR is designed to address. Dovetail delivers what HR leaders value most: ease of use, employee self-service, and clear insight, while directly addressing the limitations they report. Because Dovetail is HR-owned and no-code, HR teams can configure workflows, manage knowledge, and implement changes independently. This enables faster setup, quicker adaptation, and reduced reliance on IT or external resources. The result is straightforward. Employees receive faster, clearer answers, HR gains visibility and control, and organizations achieve lower total cost of ownership with faster payback. That is the outcome HR leaders are asking for. HR service delivery made easy. Visit dovetailsoftware.com to find out more.